Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a plan with me in my catch-all planner, which I'm currently using the Let Love Grow Classic Vertical Layout Happy Planner for my catch-all. You guys, I love this planner. It is gorgeous. So we're going to be planning for the week of February 21st. Here is a quick peek at last week's after the pen. So it was Valentine's week, so I did this beautiful pink flowery love themed spread and I do like how that turned out. But for this week, like I said, February 21st, that's what we're going to be planning for. So let's get the pages out. And I have chosen stickers out of the Pressed Florals sticker book. I was looking through my sticker books and I feel like it has been a while since I pulled this one out. As I started looking through it, I found a bunch of super cute stickers using Daisies. So if you follow me over on Instagram, I recently shared a couple stories. My husband has been getting me Daisies. I love them. He got me some yellow ones on my birthday at the beginning of the month, which they're still doing really well, trying to keep those going. And then just yesterday, he got me some white daisies, so love them. So I thought, let's do a spread. Gonna try to stick to all daisies, and then I'm also gonna put there's gonna be a lot of color in this spread as well. So I marked this page. I'm gonna start by lining some of these colorful washi strips on this spread, and then we'll get to placing all the other stickers that I'm gonna use. So, and I think I'm gonna try to select the right ones. This longer strip should be the length of the right side with the 4 boxes across, and if not, we'll just do some cutting and making it work. These are like super thin. They're usually like a little thicker, but I kind of like them, so they're going to be just subtle thin line of color across these boxes. So I am going to do all 3, I think. There we go, pretty good. Does go over a little bit, but it's just slight. So I do like that. Let's do that across all of them. I think I'll just go across the top. So we'll end up with three of these going down the page. And then we'll get them on the other side too, and then we'll start placing the rest of the stickers that I did already pull out of the sticker book. So how are you all doing? How is your February? It's hard to believe this is the last. So I'm decorating for the last full week in February. I mean, yeah, after this week, there's one more Monday, the 28th, and then we are into March, which is just crazy. Like, the time just gets faster and faster. There is no slowing it down. Okay, let's see if this, I'm hoping this size goes across, oops, all the way across this side. It's a little bit harder to get these little ones straight, I feel like. Okay, that will work. So just 2 more and we'll get to the other stickers. The first sticker I think that I'll place on here after we get the washi is a very large sticker that says Choose Joy, and that was the first one that I saw. I don't know if you guys do this. I think I might have shared this before in past videos, but a lot of times there's just like 1 or maybe 2 stickers that I'm seeing, and from there I just kind of decide what will go with either that main sticker or 2. So for this spread, this was the sticker Choose Joy, and it has the daisy for the O, and it's just gorgeous. And this is what I first saw and had the idea, okay, we're gonna go with daisies. That is the theme lately. And there's just something about looking at beautiful flowers while I'm like in the kitchen doing dishes and stuff. So I have all my daisies that my sweet hubby got me just in the kitchen. So as I'm cooking and cleaning, they just brighten the mood. Okay, and then we're gonna take these larger, there's all different sizes. I'm gonna start with the large ones and kind of go up in this corner maybe. Just overlap. And then a bunch of boxes. I mostly stuck to the ones with daisies, and the ones that don't have, I'm actually gonna white out. I know that's like kind of crazy because all of these flowers are so beautiful. Like, how are you gonna cover them up? But I'm gonna cover them up. So we're gonna I'm gonna like put the sticker over, but I don't want the flowers showing through. So hopefully this doesn't look too crazy. And we're sort of going to try to cluster them a little bit or overlap them a little bit. So, and I wonder if I should just, well, let's get this one down, and I might try to white out the rest of that box. So that, we'll see if I can do that. It's probably a little bit difficult over the edge. Okay, no, I could do it. That way we can put this on here without seeing the red box through it. There we go. Okay, that works. All right, let's do a few more. I have this little, just this little time for coffee sticker that was in there. Just gonna randomly throw that on here. It's cute, adds a little more color. Okay, and then this small box, I'm just gonna throw up here. So a thought that I had recently is to do some plan with me videos where I am, where I'll decorate the spread, show you how I'm decorating it, and then actually write in it. Like, so the way I do it is I don't end up having everything written down at the beginning of the week. I write as I go and as I kind of see what's, you know, what's happening that week. So what I could do, oops, oh, you guys, I need to do a whiteout review video soon, I think. Would you guys like that? I don't know if you have trouble, but there are some whiteouts, like this brand that I'm using right now. Not trying to cut them down, but it's just not my favorite. So I need to kind of do a review maybe and share with you what. Anyway, that was a sidetrack. So what I'm thinking of doing is creating a a plan with me video, okay, where I decorate the spread and then I write, like I share with you how I write in it for that week. Now, I was saying, like at the beginning of the week, I write some things down, kind of an overview of what I know is coming, but then I definitely write in more as the week evolves, as it starts to unfold, and I figure out more of what that week will look like. So let me know if you guys would like that. So that was a very long way of just saying, do you want to see some plan with me's where I am sharing more than just the, you know, the decorative spread, but I'm actually sharing with you kind of how I write in them, how I use it to track different things. So let me know in the comments below. And then stay tuned for that. Okay, let's get this left side put together and then we will be done. I took out this little to-do sticker we will throw over here to kind of make an overview to-do list. And then this super cute yellow sticker with the daisies. And this sticker says it's a perfect day to start. I love that. And I want to overlap that down here somehow. Let's actually line it up with this box. at the bottom of this box. And then we'll just take it in there over the sticker. Okay. Then this sticker is so gorgeous. Look at that. So we're going to use that one somewhere around here. This is where I want to do a lot of kind of overlapping of these boxes. Let's put this one right up against here, but we're going to overlap it a little bit. And then, oh yeah, I should have probably whited out under there, but that's okay. I'm not actually going to do that right there. I am going to white these out though. I just can't seem to get the right, is that one out? This one might actually be out. Okay, here's another one. This is a different brand. Let's see if this one works better. And it could just be me, it could be just not finding the exact right amount of pressure or too much pressure. I don't know, but this is my struggle, you guys. Tombow whiteout is the best. I don't have problems with Tombow. I have problems with almost every other brand. And I'm out of my Tombow whiteout right now, so that's why I'm just kind of struggling through this. There we go. That's as close as we can probably get that. Okay. That one might be a little crooked. Let's get it. There we go. I think that's a little better. Okay. And then one little purple box we'll kind of throw randomly up here. And then two more down here. We'll go ahead and put this one right up against the washi. And then white out. Come on, work with me. It's probably not helping that I'm changing directions, but okay. Close enough. All right, a few more daisies. Let's get this little one up here, kind of by the February. And then let's actually, so this right here says this week's list, but I put to do up here, so I might just go ahead and kind of cover that. There we go. I think that will do it, you guys. What do you think? I actually really like the way this turned out. Let's make sure all the stickers are down. Sometimes I don't push them down right away in case if I think I want to move them. All right. Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this Plan With Me video. Thank you for your support, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.